Most of it in Total Parts Pro, TV for 2019, Kia Optima, stock number 6903. Transferred 9th 2015 to the 1st 2020. Here's a G4KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid 2 dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right hand door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,